let's start about physical and chemical changes. Okay. So if we say about the changes in our daily life or around us, what are the regular changes or what are the normal changes that are taking place around us? Suppose you can see dissolving sugar in water. Okay, dissolving sugar in water. This is also change. Okay, how? If in a glass of water, if we place or if we dissolve a spoon of sugar into it and we shake, okay, what happens? It becomes invisible. Sugar particles becomes
invisible.
Okay.
Okay.
So this is also a changes. Formation of curd from milk. When the formation of curd is formed from the milk, then it is also a changes. Cooking of food. Suppose when we cook rice, when we cook sabji, dal, its color changes, its smell changes, its overall property changes. So it is also what? কি হয় আমি এতিয়া মানে খানা বনাও দালি সবজি এবিলাক কি হয় আলটিমেটলি চেঞ্জ হৈ যায় ন হয় না কালাৰটো চেঞ্জ হ'ব স্মেল চেঞ্জ হ'ব স্ট্ৰাকচাৰটো চেঞ্জ হৈ যাব ৰাইট কি হয় এবিলাক চেঞ্জেছ হয় হা মেল্টিং অফ আইচটো মেল্ট হয় পেলাই পানী হৈ যায় পানী আকৌ বৰফ আমি ফ্ৰিজত থৈ দিলে বৰফ হৈ যায় অ'কে মেল্টিং অফ আইচ অৰ ৰাষ্টিং অফ আইৰণ when iron is kept outside, then what happens? Rusting is formed on the iron surface. Clear? These are the changes around us. Ebilak amar sargole hoy jata changes bila. Rusting of iron, mamor dhara hua. Iron of mamor je dhare itu. Curd from milk, gahir por doi hua. Tasot dissolving sugar in water. পানী চেনি দিবা ঠিক আছে দুবাই দি পেলাই আমি যেটো মিহল কৰি দিওঁ ওকে মিক্স আপ কৰি দিওঁ সো মেইনলি we can divide the changes in two types one is physical another is
chemical.
What can be the difference if we want to know let's see physical change means 2 points are there one is no new substance is formed. Number 1 point. And number 2 point, physical change. In case of physical changes, after the change, changes takes place. The substance can be reverted back but converted back to its original state. Examples would be dibosa. If we try to give an example, melting of ice. See how? If we melt ice, this is ice. Okay, this is ice. Just melt it. It is converted back into what? Water. For that, we have to give heat. Okay?
Yes, sir.
But again, if you want to make again ice from that water, we have to what? Do what?
Freezing.
Freezing. I mean, freezer through you. Water to give ice is it becomes ice. Ultimately what? After the change takes place, the substance can be converted back into
Ice.
Clear? This is called
Physical
here
change.
no new substance is formed, right? No new substance form होना है. Okay. Chemical क्या होगा? What is chemical changes? Oppose the please. New substance is formed. Number 1 point. Number 2 point. After the change takes place, the substances cannot be converted back to its original or initial state, right? মানে বস্তুটা যদি আমি আপনার চেঞ্জ মানে তাক চেঞ্জ কৰিব খোজা আমি নোৱাৰো কেমিকেল চেঞ্জত ৰাইট ফিজিকেলত পাৰো হাউ লাষ্টিং অফ আইৰন okay suppose this is iron bar okay if it is kept in water vapor atmosphere এনেকুৱা atmosphere যদি থওঁ য'ত water vapor থাকিব okay য'ত atmosphere যিটো atmosphere water vapor থাকিব যদি আইৰণটো থৈ দিওঁ if iron is kept in that place what happens iron plus water okay then a new layer is formed it is called rusting of iron মানে লেয়াৰটো ওপৰৰ যিটো লেয়াৰ এইটো হৈ যায় এতিয়া rusting of iron আমি কনভাৰ্ট কৰিব পাৰিম নেকি can you convert the rusting of iron from rusting of iron state to the original state of iron can we no so it cannot be converted back to the original state right clear
Yes, sir.
so this is
Rusting of iron. Chemical change.
chemical change example of
Chemical change.
2 points new substance is formed second point after the change takes place the substance cannot be converted back into original state okay
Yes.
clear
Yes, sir.
chemical okay done